Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to ARH Design Academy. So, yes, we are finally doing the review of Drawing Set 3. I know काफ़ी late हो गया है. You guys know that we were busy with the open sessions and the new batch took a little more time than expected to do the whole setup. But ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, देर आए दुरुस्त है. So, we are finally doing the reviews of Drawing Set 3. Now, we had three questions as always. Question number one is 2D composition, in which we had to do the composition in which we had to show anger using triangles and angular lines. So very limited elements of design, appropriate color scheme. 3D composition में we had 6 to 8 empty matchstick boxes and light and shadow. Sketching में we had to do the sketch of your favorite film star. Now I had received a lot of artworks for this because the submission window got a little extended, but I had selected very few of the artworks because I wanted to show the variety of artwork that I have seen, and every artwork has some positive or negative that I wanted to point out. So chalo, let's get started right away. So this composition is by Ujjwal. He's from Karnataka. So about this particular artwork, I want to say a positive thing and a negative thing as well. You might know what is a negative thing about this, but I want to start with the positive part. So if you see in this composition, there is a very clear sense of focus we have. If you can understand what I'm saying, there is a very clear sense of focus. So he has used these triangles here, and we know that triangle gives us direction. So the attention stays in this area, and then he has used concentric circles as well. So the area, this overall area, it keeps that focus. These triangles are a little distracting, but I think it's okay. They balance the composition pretty nicely. So a very good composition in terms of how the compositions arranged, very good focus, and it actually looks like anger. But gadbad hua hai execution mein. If you see the coloring, the way the coloring is executed, color scheme is okay, color scheme is fine. The way the coloring is executed and the finishing level, यहाँ पे ये composition मार खा रहा है. मतलब it's such a beautiful composition, but I think if the background texture that he has given here, this one, otherwise, this, if they could have been done in a more organized way. I'm not saying that somebody might argue that, sir, if they are organized, how will they feel? How will they give you a sense of anger? I'm not saying that they are not अभी जो है, I'm not saying कि उससे anger का feeling नहीं आ रहा है. I'm saying that they look unfinished. They look like कि घाई घाई में गड़बड़ी से जल्दी से कर दिया, ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए. Composition is a thoughtful arrangement of elements, and execution is an important part. So if your composition feels incomplete, then you are going to miss out on some marks. So out of 50, this would get around 22. But if this composition was executed properly, I would definitely tell you that this would get around 28, 29, because the overall composition is a really beautiful composition. I really like this one. Plus the use of texture is very prominent, and again, really like this composition. If the execution was good, I would have no problem with this composition. Chalo, next we have composition from Ayesha. She's from UP. So in this one, you also have a very good sense of focus. You see these two compositions, they have a very good sense of focus. The element of design triangles is used very beautifully. Only thing that I miss in this one is the texture that this composition has. You getting my point? So see, यहाँ पे execution is done in a good enough level, almost B plus I would say. The color scheme is nice. I would still prefer that if orange was here, or a little bit of darker color, that would have been nice. But again, I can understand. One thing that is missing is another layer of texture. So if this had a layer of texture like this would have been a beautiful composition. Again, so out of 50, this would get around 24, but I think this composition has the capacity to get around 30. Alright, so this is the mark that I am giving, but this is the capacity कि ये composition में इतना और improve किया जा सकता है. Then we have this composition, Deepti Goyal. she's also from UP. So in this one, I feel the attention and eye movement is really prominent like this, but this doesn't have that focus that we are looking for in a composition. It has some kind of definition, but this composition particularly, I think it lacks the definition part because there is no focus. So I think there is movement, you can say, there is rhythm also, but I think focus is the element of design that I would associate with anger. But otherwise, composition wise and otherwise, it's a good composition. So out of 50, this would receive around 23, but this has the capacity of getting up to 28 if you improve on the color scheme part a little bit, plus you do the finishing level, plus please send the better photos, guys. Come on. Okay, so this gets 35, but this has the capacity of getting 28. Now these two composition, this one is by Meghna and this one is by Deepika. Now you see, these are two similar composition, and if the theme of the anger is not given, then they both have no problem. They are actually very balanced composition, I would say. The thing that is missing from this composition is the definition or the focus that I am talking about. They don't have that. I mean, in this one you will see these triangles, they take our attention, they divert our attention basically to different sides. And in focus, I generally assume that all the anger, it is generally focused, you know. I mean, it goes here and there, it is very destructive, but there seems to be no there seems to be no central point where all of this is converging or all of this is getting away from. So I think for anger, this composition is not good. So in itself, if this was not a composition, I mean, if this was not a composition on anger, it would get much higher marks. So let's say for anger, this gets around 21, but I think the capacity of this composition is around 23, 24 as well. Please understand the difference. Composition is executed very nicely, but that's why there is very little gap between what you get and what is the capacity. But the problem is the composition first. The thing with these compositions, this and this, is they are executed maybe a little poorly, but their basic idea or basic concept was really good. So I am giving 2 marks now. Okay, in this one, this I think lacks the anger part completely. It has a very beautiful execution, 22 out of 50 I would say, but the composition lacks the anger thing that we are looking for in the composition. So I think it would go around 23 only. There is very little scope of improvement in the execution part, because even if Deepika gives 100%, she will get 23 only, because the composition is supposed to be for anger and the composition lacks that thing. So I think these things could have been improved. Okay, this one is by Snehal. She's from Hyderabad. So I think it has a very good level of presentation, fairly good presentation I would say, plus a very clear definition of anger. I'm not saying as good as the earlier ones, but it has a pretty good definition according to me, and it is giving you that sense of anger and conflict and friction between two things. So this satisfies my itch, and I think I would give it 25 or something I would say, but the final capacity or the overall capacity, if execution part is considered, it will be around 25.5. It's a very beautifully executed composition, but at the end of the day, I believe is the composition part is the main one. If you only are focusing on the concept, if your whole focus is towards concept, ki sir I will create beautiful concepts, but I will not do the execution part correct, this is a very good example of that. Beautiful composition but no execution. Same with this. But if you have only composition but no execution, then you might miss on these points. So composition is a skill of is a mix of concept, idea and execution as well. They both go hand in hand. They cannot be, you cannot just have concept and you cannot just have skill. You have to have a concept, a very beautiful concept, and the skill level to match that level. So this was what I wanted to clear out today, and this is the reason I picked up these specific compositions or this specific 2D compositions today. Let us start with 3D compositions. So 3D composition, maybe I have very particular points to make, but let's start with Deepika's composition. So in this one, what I feel is composition is okay, there is no problem with the composition, but I feel that very a large chunk of space is remaining. If she could make this bigger, this part, or her frame could have been a little shorter, this could have been much better composition, because it, see, consider the 3D composition as a photograph, of a photograph, right? So the subject is always there. It's up to you that which angle you choose and how much it fills up the space. So you don't want to do something like this where the whole composition is not getting into picture. You don't need to have things which are half, but you also don't need to have something like as small as this, right? You need to find that balance. So one thing I wanted to point out. So out of 50, this gets around 21. Okay, so this one by Disha Chauhan, such a beautiful composition. I feel it's a very beautiful composition, very good sense of physical interaction. I really like what she had done here. Like, as in, this one is upright, this one is on the other side, and to balance it, she had put this one, and then you had another one. Beautifully done. I think skill level detailing is also fairly nice. No problem with the detailing. I think a little bit of better shade and shadowing could have gotten this composition around 31, 32 also. But right now at this moment, out of 50, this gets around 24. Skill level का बात है, बाकी कुछ नहीं. Then we have this one. This is by Ayesha. It's a beautifully presented, it's a beautifully done composition, very pleasing to the eyes. One thing that is missing in this one is the actual detailing, the physical detailing that we need in compositions like this, because this is not a composition of cuboids, this is a composition of real life object, that is matchsticks. So detailings like this, they always help. So I think that is kind of missing here. If this could have been added, this composition would be really nice composition. So out of 50, this gets around 23. Now we'll say, sir, this got 23 but it has no details, and this goes 24 but it has lot of details. The difference, there is not only one factor on which I am marking, there is a lot of detailing, but the presentation and the finishing is not up to that level which I expect. In this one, detailing is not there, but the finishing is really nice. So 19-20 का ही फर्क है. It's a difference of weightage in different sectors. Okay, so Kritika from Maharashtra. So it's a beautiful composition, I feel. Very nicely done, very nicely done. Lot of detailing and beautiful, just plain beautiful. It's a very good one, and I have no issues about this. Only thing just one thing, okay, ये जो दिख रहा है ना, ये नहीं दिखेगा, जो पेपर का मार्किंग है वो नहीं दिखेगा, तो it would be much better. Plus again, I really like this one, and beautifully done. So out of 50, this gets around 28 for me. Okay, so this one, you see the level of detailing is increasing from question to question or drawing to drawing. So because you see, this is that target wala thing, if I'm not wrong, plus it has the same type of dotted texture, beautiful one. So, and yeah, it's a beautifully done composition, I feel, and the detailing, the amount of efforts put, it's just amazing. So for me, this goes around 28 or 29. It's a fairly good composition. It's a beautiful composition. And the last one we have is from Sakshi. She's from Aurangabad. So this is again a beautifully done composition. Detailing perfect, shade shadow perfect. I really like what she has done here with the ground level. Really nice work, really nice work. I'm just concerned about one thing, how much time do you need for these compositions? I think none of you has mentioned how much drawing you need, and that's okay. I'm not pointing towards someone particularly, but you need to also tell me how much time do you need for this, so that I can take that factor into consideration. I mean, let's say if I don't know the time factor for this, so this would go around 30 or 31 for me, right, out of 50. But if you tell me that these compositions take 1.5 hours to finish, then there is no point, because if you take 1.5 hour for a question which is out of 50 you are getting only 31 marks. So do the maths. You are spending 90 minutes to get 30 marks, right? So for every 3 minutes you spend, you are getting 1 mark, right? So timing is also going to be a factor. So whenever you are sending me any drawings further on, please send me the timing with that as well. And also send me the, after every drawing you spend, please send me this DS4, because the drawing that you will send now will be a DS4 or drawing set 4. It helps me categorize the drawings in a much better way. So write your name and just write DS4 to the response of it. It helps me in categorizing the overall works that you guys have sent me. Last one was portrait. So this is from Ujjwal. I think he is the Singham guy, Ajay Devgan. Yeah. So okay, now there were a lot of questions about, sir, how do you mark this and how exactly, how the marking is done. So for me particularly, it goes on to two factors. Is the you can say the line quality, and for me line quality is a better much important factor than the, you can say ki how relatable it is. How relatable in the sense, the first factor of relatability is how human like it is, because I have seen drawings where they don't really look like humans. I'm not saying that they are bad or good, but first factor is human like quality hona chahiye. Second factor I feel is how 3D-ness the drawing has, and that then boils down to your line quality again. And the last one is how easy it is for me to identify who the guy is or the girl is, in this particular assignment. When there will be another assignment where you have to draw the portrait of your friend, you might have a different aspect here, and line quality is an important one for me. So what I feel is I can kind of figure out that he's Ajay Devgan from Singham, and expression are matched nicely, have that 3D real life human like nature to it. So it's a fairly good one, I feel, around, and line quality is also good, as I said. So out of 50, this would go around 26 or 27 very easily. Then we have this Aisha ka hai kaam, out of 50. So again, we know very easily that he is Amitabh Bachchan because of his iconic beard, but it's very काफ़ी सिंपल है ये करना कि ये क्या है. वन थिंग आई वॉन्ट टू से इज़ कि ये जो काम किया है ना, ये वो ग्रिड लाइन वाला काम किया है, एंड आई बिलीव दैट once if you have done the grid line work, you obviously have the reference with you as well, and this reference will not be there with you in the exam. So ये एक बात है. तो I think out of 50 this goes around 27, 28. It's a fairly good drawing. Also tell me how much time did you take to complete this particular drawing. And this one by Meghna, I think she has mentioned that she took 1.5 hours, and it's a good drawing. See, if I take out the time factor, it's a beautiful drawing, very easily recognizable, good line quality, 3D and all, everything is good. So this would get around 29, 30 or even 31, around in that range, right? But as soon as I get to know that this is a 90-minute drawing, then it drops down to 23, 24, because a part of the exam is also time management. So if you are not able to do the time management, I don't think there is any point. We are not in an art class, right? We are preparing for a time bound exam, so you have to take care of that as well. So this was the review. I had taken few drawings, I would say, plus every drawing is taken for a very specific reason, and most of them are small things that I want to point out कि हाँ यहाँ पे improve हो सकता है, यहाँ पे improve हो सकता है. Yeah, okay, so this was your drawing reviews of drawing set 3. You already have the drawing set 4 with you, so send the drawings to me by 9 p.m. tomorrow, so I will do another review like this. And I'm also planning to have an open session as well on this weekend, the coming weekend, on architecture aptitude part. So Let me know if you guys want that, or do you guys want something else. And okay, so that was the drawing review of DS3, and I will see you with the discussion of Minitest 4 and drawing set 4 ka reviews. Send the drawing by 9 p.m. You know my number, and I'll see you soon. Take care of yourself.